Want to make money online without writing a single word? Here's one of the easiest ways to get started. Selling low content books on Amazon like journals, planners, and trackers. Head over to canva.com and type in something like journal or planner in the search bar. Canva has tons of free templates. Just pick one that looks clean and simple. Click on it and start customizing. You can change the title, swap out a few elements, maybe duplicate a few pages to make it longer. Once you are done, click Share, then download and choose PDF print as the file type. This version is ready to be uploaded as your interior on KDP. Now go to kdp.amazon.com and start a new paperback. Under the paperback content section, upload the PDF you just downloaded. You have now got a real book you can publish and sell on Amazon. No writing required. Now, if you want to skip Canva or start publishing way faster, there is a tool that gives you over 100 ready-made interiors, journals, planners, logbooks, all formatted for KDP. It's called BookBolt. It's what a lot of KDP sellers use to publish more often and grow faster. I will leave a link below if you want to check it out.